name is LED glow on finger counting. Jumper wires, breadboard, cardboard, and resistors, LEDs. And the main function of this project is to just give the basic learning to the children of age about 2 to 3 years of a camera of laptop. Here, how much fingers you will show, that much LEDs will glow here. Sir, only from sir.
Hello everyone, I am Rajveer Singh and today's the project detection is object detection radar, and it's based on the and material are used like Arduino Uno, SC-SR04, which is servo motor which is used to rotate that sensor which is known as SG90 sensor, this is a very hard sensor which is used to detect all the materials. Like this is a pen, this is a cardboard. If you like this, then it will detect and makes a dot like where the project are going. And this is based on the principle of the satellites, in which the air radar system which detects the satellites which are coming in it. Object dots are coming very close, but we go as far as we are going, that detects radar. Its range is about up to 4 meter. When it's go more than 4 meter, then it's
Station indicator through which students can learn the Indian geography of India through LEDs and many things. This is very affordable plus a very cheap project, so that children can learn the Indian geography and they can learn the Indian map in more better way as in UP.
This is used and fuel burn and smoke is coming and purify the container box and clean air is removed outside and pollution removal.
When people driving car, they get pollution, and the pollution get here. They show the pollution observer and get into the air purification system, where the air gets cleaner and the unburned carbon into this, and the unburned carbon converted into after ink.
This is the RFID based door unlock system. Sir, here this is the battery and this is the text indicator with a Arduino, and this is a servo motor with a 3D printed door lock system. And sir, here two parts. Sir, this is the fake one. If we put here card, then it will appear the wrong card. It will appear wrong card. This is right one. If we put here, the door is unlocked.
Maglev, magnetic levitation, through which by using magnet of the same poles, there are magnets, one is attracted to the south and the other one is also attracted to the south, so it repels and it levitates in the air freely. So by using this principle, there we can make many things, like the Japanese maglev train is also based on this.
Carbon purification project. I am from class 9D. Today I am here to explain about this project. This project is about carbon purification. It is mainly we have to use in project in factory. And here is a channel pipe is Kamini. Here pipe, it is a carbon purification box which can purify the air, and it is the clean air, which that it give clean air.
I am Ankita Maurya from class 9th D, and we have made earthquake resistance building. When earthquake comes, normal building falls and it makes so much damages. So here we are trying to show that when you will make earthquake resistance building, and when earthquake comes, it will not make harm, it will not destroy anything, it will save you and your lives. Thank you.
Yadav from class 9th A. We make two projects, one water electric buzzer and second water dispenser. This is a sound like structure. When we touch this rod to this, it make two sounds. Sound. When we touch this,
energy, renewable energy is also known as green energy, comes from natural resources such as sunlight, wind and water.
It's hologram combined periscope. It works when any light falls on the glass and it start to work. Thank you.
Living stick that is used for farmers in night. This is our bulb, and this is a switch, and there is a motor and it's used for away from insect and used for farmer for at night walking. This is a
Model name is working model of DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. It carries genetic information from one generation to another generation. 2 meter and in 1953, Watson and Crick proposed double hexel model of DNA called P model of DNA. The smart city is a city of technology. The technology is a efficient city of smart city. This is a solar tracker. This is a wireless car charging. This is a solar rooftop. This is a vertical wind. This is a street light. It work as increasing the flow of air. It is a cooler. In summer, most of the people can use.
Good morning, sir. My name is Divya from class 6. My group member name is Soumya and Anushka. My project name is River Flood Alarm. It has to give in our early warning alarm when the water level is rising the suitable.
This is my member Virat Pratap Singh, who is we are in.
This is an electric lift that uses gear motor for its compulsory motion. Gear motor is an special kind of motion that changes the direction of its motion when the
This is the river cleaning system, and without this, the river will look very dirty. But with the help of this, we can clean its surface very easily, just like this.
This is the working model of a digestive system where it is explained that how a food is digested. Here from oral cavity it moves towards the esophagus, and esophagus has the peristaltic movement. From the esophagus it moves to stomach where hydrochloric acid is released and protein digesting enzyme.
This is a home security alarm. It is an electronic device which helps us to inform us that from any type of danger, warn us from any type of danger.
This is the working model of flying jet Rafale launched a mission during Operation Sindoor.
This is solar. When the sun passes between the earth and moon, it's side of which there is going to deoxygenated blood to lungs and purify the oxygenated blood to come aorta, and aorta supplies. Story about the. This is the story about the Mowgli. We have seen in the cartoons, and today my teammates that helped me a lot to make this project, which work on sensor. It has ultrasonic sensor, UV and battery component, and 12,000 mAh battery. Good morning everyone, I am Aradhya Manesha. Today I am making a Gorakhpur fertilizer. This is a factory, it is a fertilizer. It is a road of them. It is a AI powered robot and assistant which is just connected with the tablet and give answers to your questions, and it has an inbuilt speaker with Bluetooth module and Arduino which reacts on the commands which give you on into the tablet. Thank you. Rotating on its axis, this causes regular day and night. This day and night occur because of the one side was in front of sun and the opposite sides of. This is the process in which plant take water from soil, sunlight. It was the rainwater and it was purified in this process, and it was the well, and here was the pure water. This is a Tesla coil used for wireless electricity transmitting device.
are used in submarine to see the surface of water.
A basket avoiding car is operated with energy is a type of renewable source of energy. It is clean, pollution free, and it has alert of flood, which indicates that when overflow of water is coming, then it will sound. And this is earthquake. This will indicate when earthquake is coming, then it will give alarm. A smart city. This is a AI lab. This is a school, this is a hospital, this is a bank, and this is a park. Myself Priya from class 7. CC is my friend Drishti Aswal. Today we are here made a buzz wire game. The material required: buzzer, metal wire, copper, switch. This is rainwater harvesting we made. The rainwater is collected here. And this rainwater is purified. Here we are using this rain project for various things such as cleaning clothes, drinking, watering plants, etc. By which a green plant make their own food with the help of carbon dioxide, air, suitable soil. Diesel we used to purify, and we used it in cars and tractors to make them work. So this is the purity of biodiesel. सर ऐसे करके सब जब इसको ऐसे थोड़ा और प्यूरिफाई करके हम लोग उसको क्या कहते हैं गाड़ी वाड़ी में वी कैन यूज इट इन कार्स एंड
Sir, it is our allergen test project. But in this time, mixed milk. After that, we used to mix it turmeric solution. Sir, look, the color is changed. It means it is mixed. And after that, in the real milk, not changed. It is like turmeric yellow. Sir, look, the color doesn't change. It changed like turmeric in yellow color.
detergent. This is a detergent. पकड़ो डालो. And this is indicator, universal indicator. And this turn into blue, so that is called base. When is अगर इसका कलर सर पिंक होता है, रेड पिंक, तो ये एसिड होता, लेकिन सर ये ब्लू है, इसलिए हमको इसको बेस कहेंगे. This is a base. सर घरेलू मटेरियल है सारा, तो हमको पता नहीं होता कि कौन सा एसिड या बेस है, इसलिए हम इसको चेक करके बता सकते हैं बिना टेस्ट किए कि एसिड है या बेस है. This is a pollution preventing working model. It is the aim how to reduce pollution. This is a pollution working project with a kaleidoscope. It is connected by making a prism from a mirror. If you will see inside it, this is the meaning of working model of water cycle. This is evaporation. Sun gets the rays and evaporation, and this comes here. This is of nature. This is the non-stop water fountain. This is the working model.
Mishra, this is our project, fire electricity generator. In this, when we burn the fire, from fire, heat energy is produced. It is absorbed by this heating panel, which converts the heat into electricity, and electricity is transferred into the battery. The battery store the electricity and transfer it to the DC to the AC converter, which is also known as transformer. When DC current is converted into the AC current, it is transferred to the bulb.
When our project is about rainwater harvesting system. In this system, we can protect our. It includes saving water.
My team made this earthquake alert throw. So basically, this is moving, and the pole connected to the brother collapse each other and start beeping.
magnetic crane. Without magnet, we use it. Electricity. By electricity, it is produced. Sir, in construction areas, there is
Control car working by code, and I made this with my 4 group mates.
Adarsh Yadav.
Aditya Yadav. My name is Tanvir Sheikh.
Sir, me and my group make Smart City. The concept of Smart City aims to investigate the implication and smart solution for the sustainable development and smart solution in the city.
Food in our mouth, then by esophagus this goes to in stomach, and in stomach it convert in small parts, then in small intestine it produce blood proteins, and then in
Good morning, sir. So today we made a plastoscope in the guidance of Amit sir, and we are member we are group of 4 members. So today we made, and actually the real microscope is very expensive. Watering system which automatically water the plants like this. This time it will automatically water the plants. And
दिस वाटर डिस्पेंसर वैसे तो ये इसका वो खराब हो गया है, लेकिन ये अगर ये यूज फ्रॉम क्लास टीवी एंड दे show better picture quality and look beautiful in our room because they are slim and modern. Thank you.
Which are used to transmit the force very smoothly and efficiently. It's mostly
our project carbon purifier. Here we collect the polluted air from the chimney. Polluted air goes from this pipe through carbon absorber, and the carbon is absorbed, and then fresh air, chemical free air released into it.
Air pollution is a heart of our environment, harmful gases. So, smart city. This is a smart city, namely Tripathi but a smart city working model. That is a charity hospital. That is a where Shivaya Heights. That is a grocery shop. That is a Hansal Khana claim. That is a petrol pump. That is a water tank. That is a
Stairs, and we have piezoelectric plates installed in this, which are made from material like quartz and lead zircon. Sir, when there are 3 crystals in this which are deformed, and when they are deformed they separate positive and negative ions,
and its functioning is to moving forward and backward, left and right side, and it is connected to the ChatGPT, which help us to find the questions and learning new, and it advantage as it is used.
What is this?
Earthquake detector. When earthquake cause, this start buzzing.
I am Sabrin Khatun from class 9th B, and today we presented their blind district, a smart blind district, which to detect some objects in the near of it, and she will perform how it works. Let her perform. Its sensor detects that it goes near an object, and it tells an alarm.
Good morning, sir. I am Samriddhi Verma from class 7D, and these are the group members Adriti Singh and Minakshi Any Laser. And if any person or anything is this is the sensor, and if any person or anything